Hey kids, today we're going to learn about colors with the help of our friends Jet and Tank. Let's dive into their colorful adventure. Meet Jet who loves to zoom around the sky. And this is Tank. He's a green tank who loves to roam the land. One day, Jet decided to challenge Tank to a friendly color battle. He fired a yellow rocket.
Nice try, Jet. Watch this.
Tank fires back with a bright red rocket. You're good, Tank, but can you handle my blue rocket?
Nice try, Jet. But watch this.
Blue is cool, but how about my orange rocket?
Ready for a surprise, Tank? Catch this purple one.
Jet thinks he's the only one with surprises. Let's show him some pink power.
The colors were flying everywhere. It was a beautiful sight. This one matches you, Tank.
Jet, you've seen the colors, but are you ready for some shine?
Whoa, Tank! That's some golden glory you've got there. The battle was intense, but it was all in good fun. Try dodging this brown one.
Time for some white magic.
The white rocket, with its snowy trail, envelops the entire area in a blanket of white. It's a magical winter wonderland in the midst of their playful duel. And that's the end of our colorful adventure with Jet and Tank. Kids, I hope you had fun learning about colors with us. Remember, the world is a canvas, and you have all the colors to paint it.
If you enjoyed our colorful adventure, don't forget to hit that like button. And to join Jet and Tank on more fun adventures, make sure to subscribe. See you next time.